Hi and welcome to Feature of the Day here at BobCAD-CAM. Did you know that you can draw your part directly at BobCAD? Or you can also save it as a component. Whether the part is native or imported, you can go to Component, select the geometry, define a description, name it, and press on Save Component. Once you do that, make sure you place it on the right folder, which you can organize, create, and delete. And after that, that part will be available to be imported at any point inside of BobCAD-CAM. Simply go to Load Component, pick your part. Now you can position it anywhere, change the scale factor, and even do mirror positioning to create different versions of your same part. Thank you and have an amazing day.